Once upon a time, there was a parrot named Winsan living with his grandpa Irfan in a large zoo full of various animals and colourful plants. Both Winsan and Irfan loved when zoo visitors were amazed by Winsan's vibrant colours and his ability to mimic human speech. However, the problem was that Winsan would repeat any word he heard without understanding its meaning, regardless of whether it was appropriate or not. Grandpa Irfan always warned Winsan that repeating words without understanding could pose serious issues. Irfan advised him to ask whether it's appropriate before mimicking anything he heard, otherwise he might get into trouble. One day, as Winsan was perched on his tree, he overheard a boy saying, "I'm sad." The word sad was new to him. He didn't understand its meaning. Without consulting his grandpa, he began to loudly repeat, "I'm sad. I'm sad." Hearing this, the zoo visitors thought the parrot was unhappy because of their presence and soon felt uncomfortable. Suddenly, the area in front of the parrot enclosure emptied. The usual joyful atmosphere shifted. The visitors who previously clapped and took pictures of them, both adults and children, walked away. When Grandpa Irfan realized what happened, he reminded Winsan about the importance of asking before repeating any unknown words. Winsan apologized and promised this would be the last time he would echo words he didn't understand. The grandfather and his parrot sat down to devise a plan to win back the visitors' affection and encourage them to return. Irfan proposed teaching Winsan new, pleasant words this time, words that would make everyone happy and feel appreciated. The idea thrilled Winsan as he longed for people to love his chatter without getting upset by it. After being thoroughly trained by his grandpa, Winsan shouted out with charm, "I love you. We miss you. Come back to us, friends." People were drawn to Winsan's kind and courteous words. Delighted by his gentle expressions, they returned to the parrot house. Once again, the visitors gathered gladly in front of their enclosure, applauding the polite phrases the parrots repeated. Through this experience, Winsan learned the importance of understanding words before repeating them and realized that people appreciate kind speech. He understood the value of listening to wisdom and that saying kind things attracts love and attention. Winsan grew to be loved by all in the zoo, thanks to his thoughtful choice of words.